Okay, for 5, 1, 17, they're saying for this sequence, is it possible to have a term with a value of 200? Exactly, right? Because the domain is n is integers greater than or equal to 1, right? So the question is, could one of the terms be, 200? So if we divide by 5 on both sides, right, we would get, divided by 5, we get 40 equals 2 to the n. So if I raise 2 to a power, can I get 40 evenly? Well, I cannot, right? Because it's 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So there's no integer value of n that would solve this equation. So we would say no, right? And then, why not? I justified it this way. Another way of justifying it would be just to figure out the terms, right? So if t of n is 5 times 2 to the n, that means the sequence would be, if I put in a 1, I would get 10, right? 2 to the first is times 5. And then the next one would be 2 squared, which is 4 times 5 is 20. And then the next one would be 2 to the third, which is 8, 40, right? And then 4, 2, 4, 8, 16 times 5, 80, right? And you would keep seeing, right, etc. So clearly, the next term would not be 200, right? It'd be 160 and then 320.